Yes, I'm muted. You were right. I was. Alright, so I need to go to the dam. Damn you! I don't know where the dam is. Oh, at the river fork. Oh, okay. Is it a goddamn? No, I don't think so. I played him to pay attention. Uh-huh. So because I was muted, welcome back everyone to another episode of Secret of Monkey Island.
It sure is hot here.
Where is the dam? Right there.
Black and explosive. Just the way I like it. My feet look bigger through this.
Fuck off.
That doesn't seem to work.
Why do you expect me to use it with the sun?
That doesn't seem to work.
Use the handle on the use the lens with the sun. Okay. Yeah, it is. Definitely old school. I'm just not sure where the sun is.
Boy, it sure is hot here.
The sunbeam is.
My feet look bigger through this. That doesn't seem to work.
Nice tips.
That doesn't seem to work.
Is there like a specific sun ray I'm supposed to use? Oh, excuse me. No, I want to be
Boy,
here.
it sure is hot here.
Aha!
I can't move it.
Gotcha. Whee! Return to the river fork. Get the note on the rock, cross the bridge over the climb full. Pond. So pick up rope. On the milk go south. Switch 2 has been officially revealed and announced. Oh yeah. Go to the crack. Strong branch. Yeah. Pick up the oars. Leave. Robot. Robot.
I can paddle it with these oars.
You don't say. Use the go south twice and paddle onto the beach. I can't. Go north around the right side of the island. Oh, okay. Anytime, come on. Okay, where's this north beach? Not seeing a beach. You son of a beach! No, it's this island. There we go. Finally. Christ.
Cannibals. I'm not giving you bloodsuckers your key to the monkey head until you return my banana picker. HT.
I picked the note. Herman will appear. Lies. Herman did not appear. Interesting that 5-5 Delta has Balatro. That's kind of cool. He lied. Go to the village. Cool. Not seeing a bowl of fruit. Ah, right there. Okay, so picked up bananas. Try to leave. The cannibals will stop me.
Is that a banana in your pocket, or are you just glad to see us?
You've got a lot of nerve stealing from the notorious Monkey Island cannibals.
You're cannibals?
Well, yes. Although lately, we've been trying to stay away from red meat.
Only for health reasons. We're still as vicious as ever.
Oh, especially with tourists who try to steal our stuff for souvenirs. Well, what do you have to say for yourself?
Oh, go ahead and eat me. See if I care.
Hey, whatever you say. We might eat you, we might let you go. We'll have to talk about it with the village nutritionist. Come, let me show you our guest hut. That should do it.
Yes, totally. Let's pick up the banana picker. How he fits that into our pocket, I don't know.
To the ghost pirate LeChuck. We must protest your acquisition of our voodoo antiroot. We realize that it presents a hazard to you and your crew, but this is thievery. The Monkey Island cannibals.
Pick up the loose board. Yeah, pocket black hole
I
tech.
might
Yep.
get through that hole, but I don't think this banana picker will.
Yeah.
And no, I'm not getting squeamish. I'd love to eat the guy.
So let's do it.
But think of your arteries.
We are cannibals, for crying out loud.
Yeah, but cannibals have to watch their saturated fats just like everyone else.
Still really sick. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Cat. Well, hi. Sorry to hear you're sick. Oh yeah, we'll go back, go to sleep.
I better leave it here.
Thanks for popping in. Let's give you the bananas. Peel and all. Walk north and then walk east. Clearing, walk along the right path pulls. So clearing. There's a clearing? Question mark? Unless you mean like over here? Clearing! Yay! Walk right along the path, pull the nose of the left totem pole to open the gate. Nope.
I can't move it.
No, it's that one.
That doesn't seem to work.
There's a good monkey. Thank you. Get the wimpy little idol, walk left along the path.
I doubt anyone will miss this piece of junk.
Exit, yeah. Time to go. Okay, now we're going back north. That's what I wanted. Move it, Guybrush. So back to the village.
Ah, the banana thief returns to the scene of the crime.
Maybe we should just eat him right now.
Do you have any idea how much cholesterol is in one of these things? Now then, how did you break out of our hut, and why did you come back?
Look behind you! A three-headed monkey!
Hey, do you really think we're that stupid?
You turned, didn't you?
I wouldn't push it if I were you.
There's the three-headed monkey! Oh no!
Look behind you! A three-headed monkey!
Ha! We're not going to fall for that old trick again. I guess we'll eat you now. Unless, if you had some sort of offering for us, something that we could pass on to the great monkey, well...
Oh, crackles my back.
Hey, wow, this is impressive. Lemonhead, take a look at this.
Ooh, that's nice. And it says, made by Lemonhead, just like one of mine. We should take this to the Great Monkey.
Yes, I agree. We are very grateful to you for this fine gift. If there's anything you need on Monkey Island, just come see us.
Let's grab that.
All I want is my banana picker back. But will they give it to me?
He's babbling to himself.
They want the monkey head key back first. Ha! That'll be the day. Oh, hi.
Hi!
I was just looking for the natives to get them to return my banana picker. But I can't seem to find them.
I have your banana picker.
Hey, thanks. I thought I'd never see this again. Here, you can take this key to the monkey head back to the natives.
Okay. And don't worry, I won't use it or anything. Excuse me, I've got some pressing business to attend to.
Yes, me too.
Have you come back to let us repay you for your fine gift?
Well, actually, there is something.
Tell us, what is it?
I'm looking for somebody.
Here? On Monkey Island?
We're the only people living on Monkey Island.
Well, the only civilized people.
That's okay. The people I'm looking for aren't living.
Oh, yeah. Those guys.
Then you've seen the ghost pirate LeChuck and his cadaverous crew?
Those jerks have been bugging us for months.
Zooming around here in that creepy ghost ship of theirs. Wailing and moaning until all hours of the morning.
Scaring away all the cruise ship business?
Normally, when we have problems with the undead, we just cook up our standard potion of exorcism and be done with it.
What's in your standard potion of exorcism?
Well, the main ingredient of the potion is a very rare root. In fact, there's only one in existence.
We only use a little bit at a time, you see.
But LeChuck stole the whole thing.
LeChuck came in here and stole your root? What a cad.
And I suppose stealing bananas is any better.
Where is he hiding it?
He's in a place beneath this island. Somewhere in a huge system of catacombs. A hellish place filled with the wailing of tortured souls trapped forever in the rock, where the walls bleed and the air is thick with the rancid smell of pure evil.
Tourists used to line up for hours to see it.
Can't you just go down there and kick him out?
No, we lost the key.
It was stolen.
Well, we loaned it to a hermit who lives on the island.
And until that crusty old pantless weirdo brings it back, we're keeping his banana picker.
I'm off to find LeChuck and get the root.
Sorry, but it's just not that easy. Trying to find LeChuck could be very dangerous.
You'd never find your way through the catacombs without the...
Hey, Ixnay on the Edhay of the Navigator Nay.
The what?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Ude uye avhe a apne of a atacombs k?
Ari say, oh nay.
We could at least tell him what the head does.
Well, it's a navigating tool.
It's a head. It was once attached to a navigator.
We've kept it alive magically, so we could take advantage of its innate sense of direction. Getting through the catacombs without it is impossible.
But it's our only one, so you can't have it.
I guess we have nothing to offer you.
After he gave us that nice idol, too.
Feel free to come to the Great Monkey and visit your idol anytime. So, anyway, Lemonhead, what was that you were saying about tropical oils?
Well,
That's for sure.
Well, look at this. It looks like instructions on how to get ahead.
We could give him our head and use these instructions to get ourselves a new one.
Yes, I suppose we can give you this now.
Thanks.
Looks pretty good for a dried up old head, doesn't it?
It does.
We keep it wrapped in this magical necklace that makes it invisible to ghosts.
Creepy.
Oh, look! I think he likes you. Just follow his nose, and he'll lead you to LeChuck's hideout in the catacombs. Then, get the root from LeChuck and come back here. We'll mix up a batch of our special enzymatic ghost-dissolving solution.
And you can pour it on LeChuck like salt on a slug.
Yeah.
Good luck!
Okay. Beach. You son of a beach. Message in a bottle. Yeah.
There's a message in it. It's a memo. To Herman Toothrot. From Yammer, Hem, and Haw, attorneys at law. Regarding suit against Cannibal Tribe over malicious tossing of your oars into a chasm. I think we have a case here. We can probably soak them for emotional distress and possibly punitive damages as well. Sounds like legalese. I don't think I can translate the rest.
Good monkey.
The second largest ear I've ever seen. And also the dirtiest. Ugh.
Let's use the giant Q-tip on the monkey ear. Clean it out. Open it up. Oh. Hello in there.
I had a feeling that in hell there would be mushrooms.
Mushrooms in hell. Why not? Not actually in hell, obviously, but yeah. I had a feeling that in hell there would be mushrooms. Guybrush.
I think it wants me to go to the right. Gross.
Okay, you want me to go that way? Make up your mind.
Okay, we're here. Now what do you want from me?
Anyone home?
May I please have that necklace?
No. But thanks for asking so politely.
Oh, come on, please.
You can beg all you want, but you can't have it.
Pretty please?
You can beg all you want, but you can't have it.
Pretty please?
You can beg all you want, but you can't have it.
Pretty please with sugar on top?
Oh, all right, you big baby. You can have it. Hey, what good's a necklace if you don't have shoulders?
This feels weird.
Yeah, I imagine so. Yeah, so pick up the ghost feather. Use the ghost feather with the sleeping ghost crew 2 times to get the jug.
I can't find a ticklish spot on his body.
Oh, come on.
I can't find a ticklish spot on his body.
All night
Right
long. All night long. All night.
Jug o' grog. Get the jug of grog, go up the ladder, return to the deck of the ship, open the door at the left side of the deck, and walk through the entrance. Use the magnetic compass. With the key. Leave the truck where he is. Walk right and go down the hatch.
It's locked tight. Must be something important down there.
Or something. Brace for chaos. How you doing? I'm doing okay. How are you? Doing good. Excellent. Glad to hear it. Use the jug of grog with the dish. Pick up the grease.
It's all over my hands.
Dead rat is deader. Use glob of grease on the door, apparently.
This should stop it from squeaking.
Get the ghost tools near the guard.
Oh, good. More inventory.
Use the ghost tools. Exit room, go down the ladder. Use, okay, so down the passage.
This should do it. I'll I'll just grab this old root and be on my way.
Woohoo! Go up the ladder, return to the deck, and leave. It's pretty fun. I really enjoy it.
A long walk, a brief row, and a short hike later.
I did it! I got the root!
Wow! Look, he's not kidding. Here it is.
He's not such a wimp after all.
Come on, let's go make the brew of the fermented root. Wait here. We'll be right back.
One eternity later. Three-headed monkey!
Nice monkey.
There it is.
One squirt of that stuff and the ectoplasm really hits the fan.
And if you have any left over, it's delicious with a little vanilla ice cream. Good luck!
Thanks.
After the cutscene, exit the village and return to the ledge.
After some more furious paddling,
You scared me half to death.
Balmy weather we're having, isn't it?
It's always like that down here.
What happened to the ship?
They all left for the wedding.
What wedding?
LeChuck is marrying the governor of Melee Island.
What? But how will they... Why are you still here?
My head fell into the lava there, and I had to chase after it. And when I came back, they had gone. Shame, too. I hate to miss the wedding.
Where's the wedding?
There's a lovely church on Melee Island. They're headed there.
I gotta go all the way back to Melee
Melee
Island.
Oh no. I've got to go after them. I've got to stop that wedding.
Magic.
Bye.
Oh, there you are.
We've been looking all over for you. Bob!
Hi, Bob.
Hi, guys.
Say, Bob, you're looking a little pale.
Well, naturally, I'm pale. I am dead, after all.
Dead? How did that happen?
Oh, the usual way. Out for a day's plunder. Ghost ship shows up. LeChuck kills everybody on the crew. And then signs us up on his ship. You know.
Gee, that's too bad.
That voice sounds
Maybe
familiar.
you'd like to join us on our quest for the perfect tan.
Well, that'd be nice, but I am trying to catch a ride to a wedding on Melee Island.
Are you guys
We're
just...
about to head back there anyway. You can come along.
Great!
Are you guys done talking now?
We've got to get back to Melee Island.
No kidding.
Yeah, we're out of sunscreen.
Come on, let's go.
Guybrush kicks butt.
Well, that certainly was easier than the trip to Monkey Island. We wish those guys hadn't been so excited about getting sunscreen. Now I'll have to stop the wedding by myself. Yikes.
Hey! Wait a second!
Could I interest you in some root beer, sir?
Root beer? Oh boy! I love root beer!
That's pretty cool.
Cool. The church is the other way.
Excuse me. Do you have an invitation to the wedding?
No, but I have this deadly magic root beer. This stuff's great. Watch out, LeChuck. There's a new sheriff in town and his name... Hey, I better get to the church.
I've heard something about that. It should be coming out fairly soon, so I could see it being out. I'm still on like season 2.
If there be any man with reason that these two people should not be united in blissful matrimony, let him speak now, or forever hold.
And this is pretty much it.
The groom isn't a gentleman.
Hey! Who's that?
Nice. It's just one of those shows that I gotta get caught up on.
Take this, you vaporous voodoo vermin.
Take what? Are you trying to bribe me?
Governor.
Governor!
Governor?
What's going on?
Oh, Guybrush, you mad fool! I'm impressed you came to rescue me, but it really wasn't necessary. I had everything well in hand. Unfortunately, your arrival has made it necessary for me to tip my hand early.
How? Who? But... what?
If you're here, then who's that in the dress?
He's a monkey.
What?
Don't scare them! They have my ghost-zapping root beer bottle.
Oh, I'll get it. Oops.
Nice going, Guybrush. Now I've got to chase them down to get my voodoo root beer back.
But... Hey!
You dared come here and confront me? I can't believe your audacity.
Take this, you vaporous voodoo vermin! You'll never menace decent, tangible pirates again, you billowing bag of something that begins with B.
Now, hold on a minute there, friend. I was only kidding, you know. We can settle this like gentlemen.
Oh no! It's jammed! Must be pocket lint. Say now. Let's not be hasty. Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Good to see you, son.
How's the ship? If you're interested in trading up, I can give you a fair price for it. Howdy, partner. You know, just by looking at you, I can tell you're a man of the world. A man with an eye for quality. A man who knows a good bargain when he...
Mud, how's it going? Instant replay. Oh, excuse me.
Hey!
Yikes! Oh, don't sneak up on me like that.
Sorry.
That's okay. You know, LeChuck was a deviant, obnoxious, slithery, creepy crawly sort of a guy, but I'll say one thing for him.
What's that?
He sure looks nice exploding against the night sky.
Yes, it's very romantic. Can I buy you a root beer?
Sure. There's more at Stan's. Gosh, I hope Stan's okay. You know
That'll
what?
be fine.
We forgot about Herman Toothrot.
Now I wonder where my pirate friend has got to. I certainly hope he didn't leave without me.
No, never. I'm sure I'm somewhere around there.
Yeah, at least I learned something from all this.
What's that?
Never pay more than $20 for a computer game.
A what?
I don't know. Not sure why I said that.
And that is the secret of Monkey Island. In all of its glory. No, that's it. There's no cleanup. These games don't have that kind of thing. Monkey Island 2. Alright everyone, so I hope you enjoyed seeing me play through Monkey Island. The Secret of Monkey Island. As I said before, it's one of my favorite series. I always have a lot of fun playing them. They're so silly. Excuse me. If you want to check out more of my content, you can check me out on YouTube and Twitch. 19 Death Talon 69. If you want to chat with me or the rest of my friends, the Relentless Undead, Zeofate, or Tamapanda, you can join our community Discord. The link will be below. I want to thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and we will see you next time.
Thank you.